Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this Acura RL key fob. You don't need any tools, you just need two of these 205 batteries. You can get these off Amazon, they're just a few bucks, and there's a link below in the description. So like I said, you don't need any tools. Here's what you want to do. First you want to remove this mechanical key. Press this button and pull out your mechanical key. Now right here, there's a little indentation. Take your key, and you can use a screwdriver for this, but I think a key works just fine. Take your key like this, and just separate the two halves. Okay, so once you have the two halves apart, there's your dead batteries. Now you can take your key or screwdriver and just put it right there. Take your old batteries out. Alright, once you got your old batteries out, take your new batteries, put them this side in first, and clip this back together, and then you can go ahead and check. Make sure it's operating. Okay, see a red light, you're good to go. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.